I don't have this watch, but I'm very intrigued by it. It's that heavy metal look. It's $44.99, free shipping from AliExpress. SAPPHERO men's watch, 100-meter waterproof. I like it because it is such a cool minimalist look. You can go with the blue face, the black. It looks so kind of industrial to me, and I like that. It also comes in gold. That's rose gold. You can come with a white face. And you got rose gold with green, which is a nice looking watch too. I think my favorite is this, maybe the blue. I like them both. That's a nice watch. There's some of the specs. It's only 11 millimeters thick. That's not bad. 42 millimeters, lug to lug. I think it's a unique watch. Interesting watch to have in a collection. Probably one of the cleaner block faces I've seen, which of course is a knockoff on one of the first watches that was like this. I don't remember the name of the manufacturer that really developed this. It was a high-end, very expensive watch. I kind of like the black with the stainless. It really is cool. Anyhow, SAPPHERO, SAPPHERO, AliExpress.